I'm gonna make you feel it. I'm gonna make you feel it. I'm gonna make you feel it.
Hey y'all, this is Vanity and I'm back with red hair, as you can see. Okay, so I know y'all have been waiting to see how this red hair looks on me, and I've actually been rocking it for I think over a month already. If you aren't following me, go follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. That's basically where you get to see the looks before I actually post reviews on YouTube. So a lot of the times when you see me doing a review is because I have already been wearing the hair all the time. Okay, so I actually have a good grip on, you know, what products work for the hair as well as maintenance and all of that. And if you want to see me with different styles and stuff, and you want to get the sneak preview of what my hair looks like, I would definitely recommend that you follow me on my social media accounts, because it's easier just to post a picture than to actually do a video. And this is like the 5th time I tried to record this video, but it's like something always goes wrong. But I think this one should be good. So yeah, anyway, if you haven't seen my first video on this hair, definitely go check it out. I will have it linked in the bottom bar. That is a video of me coloring this hair from the 613 blonde to this red. Now, I will definitely say that it is not the same color as it was when I first did the red, and that is because since then I have washed it about 4 or 5 times. Like I said, I've been wearing it for over a month, so I have been washing it, and for different reasons. And this is not done, and this wasn't like a permanent hair color. I use a semi-permanent rinse, so every time that the hair gets wet or washed, the hair does come out a little bit. So this is what my hair looks like after about 4 or 5 washes. It's more like a strawberry red now, and before it was like a deeper red with, like, you know, some different hues in there. However, I like it both ways. I think it looks really, really cute both ways. I would definitely prefer it the way it looked when I first did it, because I was so in love with that color, but I'm still loving the red on me. Like, I've honestly gotten the most attention, the most compliments, like the most likes on my pictures since I've had this hair. It's just so crazy. And I didn't think that I would like the red on me as much as I do. I've been wanting this hair color for years, so I was so excited to finally do it. Now, enough about the chit chat, let's get straight into the review. So this hair is from a company that I've actually worked with before, and their name is the House of Bundles, and I have in their 613 Platinum Blonde, and I have in 4 bundles of 20 inches and a 20-inch matching frontal. Okay, and I just love this hair. This hair is perfection. Okay, perfection. The last hair I had from them I loved so much, and this hair is no different. Like, I really thought I wouldn't like the hair as much because 613 hair sheds, but like a lot, like kind of like excessively. But this hair, rarely any shedding. I don't get any tangling. I don't get any matting up at all. I haven't had any issues with this hair. The hair curls, it holds a curl, it straightens, it just does everything. Today I have some very I did really big waves, and then I brushed them out because I didn't want to wear it bone straight. I just wanted to have just a little bit of body in there, and I'm just loving it. When I first did the wig, I actually wore these tight curls that I did with a wand, and I will post a picture of what it looked like because everybody went crazy, because this is not like the normal style that I wear. I like my hair a little bit more sleek most of the times, but this time I don't have it slicked down to my head. I have a little bit of body, you know, with the part on the side, which I don't normally do too much, and it kind of like just swoop in with a little bit behind the ear. Got some baby hair going on. Girl, I tried to go in on this wig, and I think this is my favorite wig to date, like my favorite frontal that I've actually created for myself. So I'm proud of myself. I feel like I'm getting better and better and better as I keep trying to slay these frontals. Okay, so honestly, I have no complaints about this hair, but right now I'm gonna get into like just little tips for you if you do decide to get hair and dye it this color the way I did if you use my routine, okay? So I would definitely recommend that you get some type of shampoo for red hair, okay? Because every single time you wash the hair, because I used a semi-permanent rinse, even if you use a dye, every time you wash the hair, the color is going to come out a little bit, and that's why the hair is a little bit more brighter now. It's like a strawberry red versus like that deeper tone red that it was when I first got it. So I would definitely recommend some type of shampoo that is specifically for red hair, okay? Also, I messed up and used the Shimmering Lights, thinking in my head that it was red, but I forgot that it was actually a purple tone, and it was specifically for blonde hair. So that's also which altered the color of my hair, because usually it turns gold like to a silver color. So on the red, it actually just stripped it a little bit and made it more of a strawberry tone. It wasn't too much of a difference, but I can definitely tell the difference from when I first did the color to what it looks like now. So that's what I would recommend. As far as on this hair, I've only used like a oil, to be honest with you, and that is the oil I always use in every one of my hairs, but like I don't have to really use the oil. Like if I use it once, there's no more using it until I wash the hair, because the hair stays like that. Like as you can see, I washed my hair about a week ago now, and I only put a little bit of oil, but I've been styling my hair, you know, over and over. I think this is the 4th style I've had with this hair since I washed it the last time, and I have not applied any more oil, because when this hair gets straight, to me it can go a different way if you use too much oil. So I would recommend that you don't use too much product. The least product you use on this hair, the better. I really have no complaints for you. This is like my favorite 613 blonde hair that I've tried, and I will highly recommend it. I give it a 30 out of 10. It is that amazing, y'all. Go get it. I will highly recommend it. I would absolutely love to continue getting this color from this company whenever I want to do a color, because this company definitely has some bomb platinum 613 hair, okay? So I'm sorry if I missed anything, just let me know. But like I said, the hair is so perfect that I don't feel like I have to get into detail about every single thing, because like I literally have not one complaint. I'm not having a lot of shedding, like I said, no tangling, no matting, and the hair curls, straightens, it styles beautifully. Like there's nothing bad that I could say. The frontal came pre-plucked, so it wasn't a lot that I had to do. It was just easy freaking breezy. So yeah, I will have the links to the House of Bundles down in the bottom bar, and I thank them for being patient with me, because I had the hair for a while and they haven't bothered me at all. So like I was saying, if y'all see hair that I'm showing you in the videos and you don't see me posting about it, definitely go just follow me on social media and you can see what the hair looks like on me later, because that's what I do. It will be up earlier on my social media than it will be in videos, because like I said, it takes longer for me to do a video, okay? So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs this video up, comment, share, subscribe. If you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I have a new upload, and I will see you till my next video. Bye, y'all.